I'm going to show you our personal tutors that are embedded in our class here at eCore. So I'm on our home page, and then what you need to do is if you'll scroll down to the bottom right, you'll see the tutorial button, the tutoring. So click on that. Once you click on that, it gives you some different sources. So we have the embedded tutoring, but I also want to show you that tutor.com is available 24/7. Our embedded tutors are available every evening and can collaborate with you then. So if you need help without, that's not from around 8 to 10 in the evenings, then you can always use tutor.com. So I'm going to show you how to reach our embedded tutors. You click on that, and it takes you to this site. And then they have live chat discussion boards and Blackboard Collaborate sessions, and that's what I was thinking. We have a few tutors that are just for our course, and those are tutors, I believe it's Keisha, 8 to 10 Monday through Friday, and Rachel, 8:30 to 10, pretty much Sunday through Friday. So those are our personal tutors that we have embedded in our course. And when you come to this page, what it says is you'll be able to chat live with them with this little green button at the bottom right of this page in the evenings when they are scheduled to be in here. So that is when you will be able to find them. If not, I will post their email addresses where you can email them and set up a Blackboard Collaborate session with them as well. Okay, so pretty much from 8 or 8:30 to 10 every evening, they can work with you live. So that's how you can get some tutoring help. The other one, let me go ahead and see if it'll let me click back to that. The other is tutor.com, which you have access to, and that's access 24/7, that they can help you with any of our topics as well. You just schedule a tutoring session. You can connect with the tutor now, but you can schedule when it's ready for your time and you have the content that you need to go over. So either one of these would work.